Yeah, so guys, for exchange rates, and exchange rates are the easiest, in fact. So the thing is, you don't have to go and cram all these numbers to say this is how much a rent is compared to dollars, yen compared to pula. You know what I'm saying? So you don't have to memorize all of those. The thing is, on the statements, they will, on the question themselves, they will tell you what the exchange rate is. How many rands can you get for $1? You know what I'm saying? Just they will tell you. Um, yeah. And exchange rates, of course, they are quite important, especially if you're gonna travel, go outside South Africa. You need to know how you need to know what the exchange rate is so that you can properly budget. Yeah, because the thing is, you will look at how much money you have and you see, you have $50,000. No, you have 50,000 rands, right? And you think, 50,000 rand, I mean, it's enough to actually sustain me, right? And then you convert it to dollars. You see, like, you actually don't have money, bro. You actually don't have money. So, yeah, let's look at this problem. They say Bridget wants to buy an iPad. Things of seeing things that are not there. So Bridget wants to buy an iPod. Do we have something called an iPod though? Hey, that's it. That's it. So I'm not an iPhone user. I'm not a fan of iPhones, right? But yeah, no, like iPod. Or maybe it's those things. Bad. Me, I'm not a fan of iPhone, but yeah, let's continue. So yeah, she wants to buy iPod that cost that much, right? I wanna say that's euros, but actually I think I forgot what currency that is, but it doesn't matter. With the exchange rate currently at one, or is it pound? Yeah, let me check. Yes, it is a pound. That is a pound and not euro. So yeah, they cost £100, and then the current exchange rate is that £1 equates to 14 rands. Right? She estimates that the exchange rate will drop to 12 rand in a month. I bet. How much will the iPod cost in rent if she buys them now? So this is their current price now, right? Yebo. And basically, you know that £1 equates to 14 rand. So now when we have £100, therefore it's going to be the current price. It's going to be what? It's going to be the current price is going to be 100 multiplied by 14 rands, which is going to be 1000. 1400. No, yes. Ah, yo. Hey, that's a lot of money. Fuck. Oh, damn. Hey, I was like, yo. Did I get this written wrong? Hey, I was surprised. I'm like, no. I got it right. Huh? Hey. So yeah, it's cool. It's cool. So that's how much it's going to cost right now, right? So I can say that is A. And then how much will she save if the exchange rate drops to? So to calculate now, you will still say 100, but now multiply by 12 rands, and you will get 1,200. So you see that therefore she will save 1,400 minus 1,200, which is 200. So she will be saving 200 rands, right? And then how much will she lose if the exchange rate moves to 15, right? So that one you calculate, that will be this multiplied by 15 rands, and you get an answer of 1.5. right? So if we are comparing how much she would lose based on this 14 pound, she would lose how many? You would say 100 rand. You would say 100 rand if we are using this current currency. No, if we are using this current exchange rate, she will use 100 rand because 1.5 minus 1.4, that's 100 rand, right? Yeah, yeah. Let's do the other. Let's do the other. So this one, Yassim wants to buy a book online. He finds a publisher in London selling the book, for £7.19. Okay. And this publisher is offering free shipping on the products. Cool, cool, cool. So therefore, like if you buy the book, you'll only be paying that 7.19 pounds, right? Yeah. He then finds the same book from a publisher in New York for $8.49, right? $8.49 with a shipping fee of $2. Cool. So the one there, the British pound, yeah, it is. It is. Yeah, pound sterling. the yeah, so that pound, the if you buy it from London, there's no shipping fee. But if you buy it from New York, there will be a fee, right? Next, he looks up the exchange rate to see which publisher has the better deal. If $1 gives you 11.49 rands, and £1 gives you 17.36 rands, which publisher should he buy the book from? Oh, where's the pen? So this one, of course, you're seeing, yeah, we can say this will be for London, and here we have New York, yeah. And then for New York, or let me say for, oh my word, yeah. So for London, we're gonna have, this is for London, so we're gonna have, okay. Look at this. We're gonna have seven 7.19 multiplied by 7.19 multiplied by 17.36, right? And then it's going to give us how many rands that is, right? And then here we have $2, so we can say 11 rand 48 cents multiplied by 2 plus 8.49, right? And we're gonna get how many rands that is, right? So that is 7.19 times 17.36. The thing, it will be costing you 124 rand 82 cents. And then we go here to plus 8.49. You have 120.43, right? So it becomes clear, or it becomes clear now that if you were Yasin, where would you buy your stuffs? Now you would buy your stuff, remember, where it is cheaper, right? And as a result, that means you're gonna go buy it to New York. Yeah, you'll be buying from New York. Cool. Let's jump and move on to a different question. So probably I wanted to write Matthew, I don't know. But yeah, that person is saving up to go visit her friend in Germany. She estimates that the total cost of her trip is going to be 50,000 rands. Okay, the exchange rate is that the exchange rate is currently which one is that? Oh, Germany. Yeah, I don't know. Let me see what we call Germany. Um, yeah. So yeah. Oh, it's called euro. Yeah. So yeah, those are euros. So 1 euro gives you 13.22. And then her friends decided to help Mate. Decided to help Mate out by giving her £1,000. How much in rent that Mate now need to save up, right? So as for how much does now Mate needs to save up, we know it's going to be 1,000, because we're talking about now in rands, ne? It's going to be 1,000 multiplied by 13.22, right? 1 2 3, it's gonna be so yeah, 1 2 3 0 2 2 13. It looks like she will have to save 13,000. Let's see, 13.22, yeah, 13,220, right? That's how much she would have to save, right? But now, wait, hold on. Wait. So of course, Marta is the one person who's saving up to go visit her friend. So yeah, she's gonna go visit a friend in Germany, and then she estimates, I bet this is how much money I will need to save, because this is the total cost of the trip. And then here's the exchange rate. And then the friend decides to help out. So the friend gives Mate £1,000. Will be like, hey, look, I got you here. So yeah, don't stress. So now talking about Mate, Mate now will no longer have to pay this much. So from the 50,000 rand, right? From the 50,000 rand, we subtract the 13,220, and then as for the answer, we're going to get 30 37,000 880. I don't know, let's see. 1 2 3 minus 13. Oh damn, 36,780. But yeah, this is all right. So this is how the question is done, or like how you actually answers questions that involve exchange rate. I'll see you guys in the next video. Always.